everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a simple, easy, yet beautiful animash eye on ibispaint, just like this one. Interested? Then let's get started. In the first layer, we're going to draw the line art for our eye. First, draw the upper eyelash, then the lower eyelash, but do not connect them at the ends. Now draw a curved line above your eyelashes. This is going to be the eyelid, just like this. Then you're going to draw the eyebrow. When satisfied with your line art, open the layer tab and add another layer. Drag the new layer down below the line art. This is going to be our color layer. Here, I'm choosing to color the skin first so we can better understand and judge how the eye is going to look on our character. I'm sorry, I seem to have forgotten to make the iris of the eye. So back into the line art layer. From there we choose a circular ruler from the ruler tab and then draw the iris. Now here it's important to note that the iris should always be a little bit above the bottom eyelash. Perfect. Now from the layer tab, add another layer just above the skin layer and color in the eye white. Now add another layer just above the eye white layer. This is going to be the layer where we color in the iris. So choose any preferred color you like. Add a new layer, then clip it. Now select a darker shade of the color you're currently using and shade the iris like this. Now add an iris in the middle like this. Add a new layer, then clip it. From the blending mode, select the Add option. Now select the airbrush from the brush menu and tap it along the bottom line, like this. From the color menu, select the white color, and now we're going to add some highlights to our eye. We're going to add some small details into the iris using a soft dip pen. Now sprinkle some dots in the iris. It could be more, it could be less. How much you prefer, it depends on you. It looks very good right now. It looks like a sprinkle of stars in the night sky, don't you think? It's pretty. It could use a little bit more highlights, don't you think? So, in the next layer above your line art, we're going to add another layer. And this layer, here we're going to add some highlights. Select the white color and then do this. It's lovely, but it hasn't finished yet. So add another layer above the eye white layer and clip it. Then select a gray color or a light violet color and add some shades to the eye white like this. As you can see, it looks so much better now. Now our eye is complete, but don't mind me as I shade in the skin just because. Thank you for sticking around for so long. And if you like this video, then please leave a like, comment and share. And take care.